Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. Turkish pizza recipe original name is lahmacun and how to make pita with minced meat. A lamb slaughtered the day before is hung in this way. It is delicious and very healthy to consume after the lamb meat is rested. If there is not enough oil to make lahmacun, I will use this curtain oil from the lamb. I prepare lamb legs and arms boneless. I cut off excess fat and nervous tissue from the leg of the lamb. You can use a thin small knife to easily separate the meat from the bone. I'm separating this vein-like thing and the sebaceous gland. To make lamacun, leg and arm parts of lamb meat were prepared boneless. I will use 5 kilograms of meat and 3.5 vegetables. The total weight will be 7 kilograms, 1 kilogram of onions and garlic, 1.5 kilograms of tomatoes, 750 grams of green pepper. I add the vegetables to the onion chopper. I add green peppers. You can add a few cayenne peppers. I add tomatoes. I add the ingredients in a large bowl. I kept the lamb meat in the freezer for a while because it was chopped in the meat grinder without being crushed. I didn't add extra lamb fat as the meat was a bit fatty, or fa. Iced pepper, slightly spicy. Karamanmara's hot pepper paste. I add 1 spoon because the bitter rate is a little high. 1 spoon of tomato paste. Parsley. Since I already have dried parsley, I add it like this. Cumin, salt. You can set the salt ratio to 7 grams per 1 kilogram of material, so I add 50 grams of salt for 7 kilograms of material. Black pepper. Some sunflower oil. I mix the ingredients thoroughly. I added a little more tomato paste. The consistency is good. Don't add water. If it gets too thick, just increase the amount of tomatoes. I bought some greens to make lahmacun salad. We call it a little sour ear grass. It has sour leaves, and cress, curly lettuce, carrots and purple cabbage. Chop the lettuce. Without pressing it, it has delicate leaves and causes it to turn yellow early. Cress and sour lamb's ear grass. Grated carrot. The grater I use is a bit big with a hole and the carrots are easily grated in a long way. Purple cabbage. I pinch a little and the cut purple cabbages are falling apart. Green, orange and purple colors combined. Chopped tomatoes. A wood oven is needed to cook lahmacun in the most delicious way. Now I came to the lahmacun oven and the doughs are being adjusted in size. Doughs are expanded with a rolling pin by adding wholemeal flour. Adding up to 100 grams of material. Please leave a like and comment on this recipe. I have always tried to make tutorial videos and I will continue to do this. I am waiting for your donations with the super thank you feature. You can leave a tip, support me. The masters beautifully glue the material to the dough. Round pizza-sized lahmajuns go to the oven at 200 degrees. In 5 minutes, the bottom of the dough will be nicely baked and the edges will be browned. After a while, their direction is reversed. Lahmacun is round-shaped and made with a spicy mortar. Lamb meat is used. Pita with mince is made in oval, not round, shape. Too much spices and tomato paste are not used in it. Onion, pepper, tomato, parsley and ground beef as minced meat. Pides are made differently in other cities of Turkey. The mince pita in my city is opened this way, without covering the edges. I think it's very good. This is the difference between lahmacun and mince pita. While the pitas are being cooked, the wood fire is high and this way the dough rises from above. A total of 70 pieces of pita and lahmacun were made from the 7 kilograms of material I prepared, so I can say that it is in the form of plenty of ingredients. I'm making a package. Since I like it crispy, I fry a little bit of the bottom in the pan and it turns out great. Salad and tomatoes. A little more pain. Lemon juice. And green salad and tomatoes. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.